Hello, everybody. This is what this is. This is a Kinect running the mask-RCNN model. As you can see, this works similar to the other one I had, the Kinect YOLO. What it does is it takes the video stream and the depth stream and it runs it through the mask-RCNN model. And you can see it finds the object, puts a bounding box around it, and then it puts a mask on it. And it also does is it takes the center of the bounding boxes and locates that object in the depth stream, and then it returns the measurement of that object. And as you can see, as we're walking back and forth, you can see down here, the measurements are changing. As you can see that the measurements change as we move back and forth. So what I'm trying to use this for is I want to try and teach the model to learn what near and far is. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to associate near and far to the object and the mask volume and the depth, the distance. So what happens is when the object and the mask gets too far away from the camera, out of the range of the camera, the depth camera, that it can revert to the size of the mask volume to know what near and far is. So I had to run this model on my paperspace machine because you need something really powerful to run this. So as you can see, there's the couch, there's the dog, there's me, there's my son. It knows we're people, and it knows how far away we are. I still have some issues with, I've got to get trying to find the coordination between the objects in the video screen and the depth stream. I'm still kind of work out those relationships, but I am pretty close. It's pretty on target. So, and as you can see that as it's moving back and forth, you can see the measurements over here. So I'm gonna put a link to my GitHub repository where all this code is. And if you want to try it, like, have at it. But like I said before, you need something pretty powerful to run this if you want to run it at a fast frame rate. So thanks very much. Bye.